WD40 Specialist Fast Drying Contact Cleaner is a fast-drying electrical cleaning solution perfect for sensitive electronic parts and equipment. It has a dielectric strength of 33,000 volts, protecting electrical flows, and is safe for use on electrical circuit boards and compatible with plastics and rubber components. Once all power has been switched off and drained from the system, the contact cleaner will deliver fast-drying cleaning solution on open surfaces to eliminate and remove mild contaminants that can cause loss of electrical contact. It has a variety of industrial applications, such as cleaning electrical circuits, cleaning contact points, fuses, and switches. With the Smart Straw engaged, product can be targeted to more precise or hard-to-reach areas, such as production line printed circuit boards or alarm system sensors. WD40 Specialist Contact Cleaner is designed for all industrial environments and will dry fast in open settings to leave no residue. It provides excellent cleaning power and dielectric strength to restore electrical contact, minimizing operational downtime. Job done.